Yeah, this is a checkpoint array to store those cubes of the checkpoints. This is the current checkpoint, current lab start position, where the start position is the starting position of the car. Yes, and I've declared these three variables as static since we are going to use these variables and this script, right? That's the reason behind using the static variable, just like we have used in the timer script, the my wheel collider thing, right? This is a function start. What we'll do is it simply creates a visual aid for the checkpoints, like this one. This is a visual aid for the checkpoints, right? This is created on starting the game. Yeah, if we have entered the checkpoint, then it will show it as the render of the color intensity will be 0.2. That is it should not be visible actually, but to make it clear that there is a checkpoint there, we are setting it to 0.2. This is the checkpoint array there. What happens is when we start the game, there are two checkpoints here simultaneously actually. This will be the color intensity of this is 0.8 and this will be 0.2, because we should enter this checkpoint next and not this, right? That's the reason behind differentiating these checkpoint and their colors. I guess it'll be I'll just try it out so that you can make it out clearly. Yeah, now what I'll do is I'll enter this checkpoint. Yeah, I guess you can see the color change. It was more intense earlier. You cannot make it out that there is a checkpoint here. You wait around here, and right, there's a reason. Yeah, and by doing this, what we can say is this checkpoint should be we have passed through this checkpoint rather. Sorry for that. Fast forward. Yeah. Now go to this. I hope you've understood this part of the script, or that script rather. Yeah. Now what we do is we use these variables here. What this does is it extracts these checkpoints, and this transform. Since this is automatically a loop, this what we can say, these checkpoints are stored here, right? Check, and here what this part does is check we have exceeded the array size of the checkpoints. Since I've created it as 4, the checkpoint size is 4, I should not exceed this by the value of 4, right? There's a reason behind this if statement. And what we do is suppose we are in first lap and there are 4 checkpoints, right? It will be first 0, 1, 2, 3, right? These are the values that we'll be getting once we pass through the checkpoints. Yeah, and as soon as it passes through the 4th checkpoint, what we do is we display the current checkpoint as 0, and we'll increment the lap, that is from 1 to 2, or increment the lap by +1. This is a thing here. Hence what we do is we set the car checkpoint back to current checkpoint back to 0, and this is a visual it created. This is pretty similar to this display thing of the color of the checkpoint, right? Color intensity rather. And this is a checkpoint lap checkpoint text, which displays the current checkpoint and the current lap that we are in, right? I've created we have visualized the GUI text here. Checkpoint, whatever is in the double quotes, is just a string. It will be printed as it is, and these are the values that will be used, that will be updated from the program rather. Yes, I hope it's quite clear. This is a visual aid thing. This is a lab checkpoint text, and we are displaying the current value of the checkpoint and the current value of the lab that we are in using this GUI text, right? This visual aid thing is pretty much similar to the one that we've displayed here, right? This is just the starting point. This is just updated as we go on playing the game, right? I hope this is very clear. These two scripts rather. Yeah, now let's just save it and just test it.